Hey, what's up everyone? Today, I've got a quick video for you. I just got a few cases in for the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus, so I figured we should get started. This one's the Evo Check by Tech21 and it was sent out to me for review. It's a one-piece case with 3 layers of protection. You've got a ridge on the edge, a Flexshock, and an impact-absorbing material. These cases are flexible yet protective. When it comes to the installation, it's super easy. Start by pressing your phone in from the top and snapping the bottom. Now this case does have a really snug fit, but that's perfectly fine with a screen protector. And in case you're wondering, I'm using the white stone dome. And now that we've got that out of the way, let's go ahead and take the tour. Starting from the bottom, you're going to get perfect cutouts for all your ports and accessories. On the left hand side, you'll find smooth tactile buttons. They're separated to easily find them and they respond with just a tap. I'd say things are going pretty good so far. Up top, there's a pretty deep well for the noise cancelling mic. It almost looks like a headphone port, so don't be fooled. On the right hand side, you'll find the power button, again perfectly placed and quite responsive. On the back of the phone, you'll notice the check design with very spacious cutouts for easy access, and I think it looks pretty nice. This case is scratch resistant and certified for up to 12 feet for drops. Just one more note on the white stone dome. As you can see, it's pretty case friendly, which is why I often recommend it. I'll have a link down below if you're interested so you can go and check it out. Overall, I gotta say this case feels really grippy and nice to hold in the hand. With it, I feel like I don't even have to worry about dropping my phone. If there's one thing I'll say, I do think this case is kinda pricey, so I did a little research for you. It seems like mobilefun.com has the best price. I've got the link down below, so go and check it out. If you've enjoyed this video, do leave a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button for more content like this. As always, I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one.